So Huawei launched the Huawei FreeBuds4i and the Huawei Mate 40 Pro in South Africa last month. So let's take a look at an unboxing and see what's inside of the FreeBuds 4i. My name is Fakier and welcome to my channel. So this is the Huawei FreeBuds 4i. It has active noise cancellation, and at the moment in South Africa it's going for 1,499 Rand. So this is just unboxing. I'll still do a review, but so far if you look at the details, it has active noise cancellation. You've got 10 hours of playback on a full charge. Then there's crystal clear audio, 4 hours of music playback on a 10-minute charge. Okay, so 10 minutes charging, which clearly doesn't mean it's fully charged. It's going to give you 4 hours of playback, and then you've got cool noise cancellation. And what I really enjoy is that if you once you get it in your ear, you can see that's a mic on there. Once you get it into your ear, you can hold on. It's got touch controls. So if you touch and hold or press, I'll see once I open it that you can actually kind of get to experience the awareness mode, and the awareness mode is similar to that of the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro that went on sale with the Galaxy S21 series this year. So basically it's going to kill all your ambient noise, and then you can actually hear what's happening for around you. So when you're speaking, you get to hear the music still at in the background, but you can actually still hear someone's conversation, or so you can allow that noise in. Okay, cool. So that's called awareness mode. So if you're running, so let's just open it up. So that's nothing under the box. Cool. Put that there. I had a knife. Oh, it feels quite liquor heavy. Like nice. Liquor means something nice in South African language, Afrikaans. Okay, cool. It's got this egg kind of design. Okay, should I peel it off? Okay, I'll be like the other reviewers. And these are mentioning the touch controls. There's a sticker on there. Okay, it feels really good, like quality. Wow. Okay, it's got a USB Type-C, so it charges with USB Type-C cable, and the cable looks quite long. Does it say how long it is? Nope, it doesn't say. Okay, so it doesn't say how long it is. And then we've got that USB Type-C cable, and I presume we've got our, if I can get it out, you've got your, it's not a case or what? Oh, cool. So you've got your manuals and things like that that we never really tend to use. But in here, so I'll put that back, I'll be a nice boy. So in here we've got your different plugs, so that's very nice. It says white small and white large, so that's cool. And then so let's just open it up. I'm gonna put this back in the box. Okay, I don't need to, this is unboxing, right? Just wanna be neat, for these videos. Anyway, cool. So you've got a Huawei here, and I'm gonna peel it off. Sure, it looks so nice, seriously. And then I'm peel it off. Okay, and it's off. Sure, and that's just so good looking. Honestly, like wow, it looks very nice, feels good quality. There's like a LED light there, I'd probably presume, and then there is a micro USB Type-C, a USB Type-C, and then they've got your power button, I presume, or pairing, and then open up, and we've got the buds, and there the light goes on automatically. Can you see? Okay, I don't know if it's pairing, but I do have not a Huawei phone, a Samsung Galaxy with me, and I downloaded the Huawei AI app, live app for that, to connect to it. So before we do that, let's just look at the actual AirPods. I'll pull it out. So if you open the charging case, it's very nice and clicky. Let's see. No, I can't do that trick, but I'm sure I can do that. I can do that. Cool. And then it seems like it charges with those two pins there. if I just leave that open here, trying to be aesthetic, and then I can kind of show you the buds. So we've got the right bud and then the left bud. I think it's best if I can creep in and show you my left ear. So that's how it will look in on the ear. Okay, cool. And then we've got the, move my mic a bit closer, and then so that's the AirPods. They actually look, I keep saying AirPods because of Apple AirPods, which they clearly, I don't think anyone can copy it anymore. But these are the buds, and they've got the microphone in on the side, so these microphone slits there, and they've got the microphone here as well, as you can see. And these are presumably the magnets to stick inside of here, these silver dots over there. Cool. So it looks like really good quality. You can feel the buds over there, and these are what you can pull off, the different sizes, and these are the buds for you. The Huawei FreeBuds4i, they're selling on the Huawei Store for $1499, and you can actually get a free gift as well, and or you can actually get it on the, you can get a Takealot, or you can get it with one of your deals on your contract phones. Yeah, they are pretty nice. Feels really good quality. Quite not, doesn't feel like very light. And these are probably if it's not just wind, if it's not just there for sound, I presume it's also there to as a sensor to show that it's in your ears. And it is definitely touch, because it's not buttons. So it's touch controls. Anyway, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like my videos, and you can watch another one, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like soon. And if you want more unboxings, drop your comments down below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media handles. Until next time, I will see you then.